So it's been a long time coming for everyone. We want to welcome you all and thank you to join us at this momentous occasion. Who would have thought in 2013 Super Bowl party at our house and the following official start of a relationship on Valentine's Day in 2013, we would end up here. So really, let's count back the years and all of the time that we've spent watching you grow up and grow together. And it has really it's made us proud and joyful for you. We went to 4 homecomings, 6 proms. Who gets to go to 6 proms? That's amazing. And how many soccer games? I honestly cannot count the number of soccer games that we've been to for the both of you. Us and the X-Lines. So, through all of that, it has been wonderful to watch you, again, grow up and grow together. 4 years of college together. Both of you going into the medical field. And I cannot tell you how surprised I was, actually, at Mikayla's graduation, when Ryan popped the question. It was very formal, very nice, to say if he may have our daughter's hand in marriage, and we of course said yes. It was a great evening for all of us. And really, for tonight, I want to thank everybody. There's more people that I can name that helped make this evening come together, helping us set up with the decorations, get the wedding ready, everything. Thank you all very much for your help today. I want to especially thank my wife, Susan, for helping coordinate and organize everything that came together tonight. And if you've organized a wedding before, you know that the husband's responsibility is like this, the wife's responsibility is like that. So, thank you very much for making this evening come together. And it is more than just that, though. All of our friends and family help. We do appreciate that, and thank you very much. And I did forget to bring my drink over with me, but I would like everyone to raise a glass and celebrate Mr. and Mrs.